മത്സര പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് കൂടെ. റൂട്ടേഴ്സ് കാലിക്കറ്റ്. ചാപ്റ്റർ 1 മിഡീവൽ ഇന്ത്യ പാർട്ട് 1 മുഗൾ എംപയർ. 1. In which year did the Mughal rule established in India? Answer 1526. 2. Who was the founder of Mughal kingdom? Answer Babur. 3. What was the real name of Babur? Answer Zahiruddin Muhammad. 4. What is the meaning of the word Babur? Answer tiger. 5. Which war led to the establishment of Mughal rule in India? Answer First Panipat War. 6. When was the first battle of Panipat fought? Answer 1526. 7. Who fought in the first battle of Panipat? Answer Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. 8. Panipat is currently in which Indian state? Answer Haryana. 9. What was the reign of Babur? Answer 1526 to 1530. 10. Who was the supreme ruler who came to power after Babur? Answer Humayun. 11. What was the reign of Humayun? Answer 1530 to 1540 and 1555 to 1556. 12. Who is known as the unfortunate Mughal? Answer Humayun. 13. Whose reign is known as the golden age of Mughal rule? Answer Akbar. 14. Who was the father of Akbar? Answer Humayun. 15. What was the reign of Akbar? Answer 1556 to 1605. 16. Who is known as illiterate Mughal? Answer Akbar. 17. Which new religious sect was formed by Akbar? Answer Din Ilahi. 18. 18. What was the basis of Din Ilahi religion? Answer: Sul-Hi-Kul, or peace to all. 19. Which new capital city was built by Akbar? Answer: Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri was built in 1575 in Agra. 20. How is the prayer hall built by Akbar at Fatehpur Sikri known? Answer: Ibadat Ghana. 21. Which was the special religious tax abolished by Akbar? Answer: Jizya. 'Jizya was a special tax imposed on Brahmins by the Lodi ruler Sikandar Lodi. 22. The military system implemented by Akbar is known as? Answer: Mansabdari system. 23. What does the term Mansab in the Mansabdari system refer to? Answer: number of horsemen to be maintained by each officer. 24. How were the Mansabdars maintained their army? Answer: taxes were collected from the lands allotted to them. 25. Who handled the administration of justice during the Mughal period? Answer: religious scholars known as Qasi. 'But the sovereign authority of the kingdom, the commander-in-chief, the lawmaker, and the supreme judge was the emperor. 26. Who was the French traveler who visited India during the Mughal period? Answer: Tavernier. 27. Who was the English traveler who visited India during the Mughal period? Answer: Ralph Fitch. 28. Which traveler noted that Agra and Fatehpur Sikri were larger than the city of London and was always bustling with the people during the Mughal period? Answer: Ralph Fitch. 29. Who wrote the biography of Akbar? Answer: Abul Fasal. 30. Which are the important works of Abul Fazl? Answer: Ain-e-Akbari and Akbar Nama. The Ain-e-Akbari is the biography of Akbar which wrote in Persian language. The meaning of Ain-e-Akbari is the administration of Akbar. Ain-e-Akbari contains 3 parts. The third part known as Akbar Nama. 31. Which work mentions that different varieties of rice were cultivated during Mughal rule? Answer: Ain-e-Akbari. Ain-e-Akbari mentions 39 varieties of agriculture crops in Agra. In which Mughal rulers' court members were Raja Todarmal and Birbal? Answer: Akbar. Which Mughal ruler built Agra Fort? Answer: Akbar. Which Mughal ruler was a painter? Answer: Jahangir. What was the reign of Jahangir? Answer: 1605 to 1627. 36. Name the autobiography of Jahangir. Answer: Tusuk-e-Jahangiri. Mughal ruler Jahangir's Tusuk-e-Jahangiri records that Akbar ordered his followers not to kill animals and not take up arms except in times of war. 37. Which Mughal ruler built Taj Mahal and Red Fort? Answer: Shah Jahan. 38. What was the reign of Shah Jahan? Answer: 1628 to 1658. 39. Who translated Mahabharata into Persian during Mughal rule? Answer: Daro Shikoh. 'Daro Shikoh was the son of Mughal ruler Shah Jahan. 40. What is the name of Persian translation of Mahabharata? Answer: Ras Nama. 41. Was the Mughal ruler known as Zinda Pir, meaning living saint? Answer: Aurangzeb. 42. What was the reign of Aurangzeb? Answer 1658 to 1707. 43. Who reintroduced jizya, a religious tax abolished by Akbar? Answer Aurangzeb. 44. Which language was evolved as a fusion product of Persian and Hindi? Answer Urdu. 45. Which were the various sects and their chieftains adopted for administrative convenience during the Mughal period? Answer Subha, Subedar, Sarkar, Faujdar, Pargana, Shikdar, and Village Mukaddam.
കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.